Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Google Chrome annotation feature for PDF files. So this is a recent feature that they have added to the web browser. So this allows you to kind of mark up and sign PDF files, and then you could download them with your changes. So let's say you're filling out an application like this one. Some of these PDF files will have fillable forms that you could type in like so on. But then when it comes to signing it, you need to be able to actually, write your signature, and you don't want to have to print it out, sign it, and then scan it. So this will allow you to actually sign it and actually make a couple other types of markups if needed. All right, so we have this form here, which is a fillable form, and then we have this one here, which is not a fillable form. All right, so let's say we filled this all out via the browser here, and we just want to sign it. All we need to do is click on this icon here for draw. So we have our pen here, our highlighter, and our eraser. And then you have your sizes here, depending on which one you click on. And then also your colors. So let's say we wanted to highlight something here first. And now we're ready to sign it. Pick our black one, for example. Like so on. You can write in the date if you want. Even though obviously it's not going to look as good as if you did it by hand. And then what you could do is come here, download with your changes. Stick this on the desktop. Okay, already there. All right, so here's our form. So here's our highlight, and there's our signature. Then, of course, you could do it for this one too if you want. Works exactly the same for a non-fillable form. Let's do this one with red, for example. Once again, not going to look as good, but it gets the job done if you want a quicker way to do it. There we have our red ink on this one. All right, so you can see it's pretty easy to use. But like I said, for me, it's just something you want to use for a signature. You're most likely not going to want to use your mouse to fill in the actual boxes here because that's not going to look very professional unless you're really good at drawing with your mouse. All right, so once again, just open a PDF file here. Go to the Draw button here. Then you have your pen, your highlighter, and your eraser, which works like that. And that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.